Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a 2048 game in Unity. First, open Unity Hub and create a new 2D project. Name it something like 2048 Game and choose a suitable location. Once the project loads, set up your canvas to a 16:9 aspect ratio for a consistent look across devices. Then, import any sprites or fonts you plan to use for your game's visual elements. This foundational setup is crucial for a smooth development process. Next, let's dive into the core game logic. You'll need to design a robust grid system to handle all tile positions and movements accurately. Implement the tile spawning logic so new tiles, typically a 2 or a 4, appear randomly on the board after each move. Crucially, develop the merging mechanic where two identical tiles combine into a single tile with their sum, like 2 plus 2 equals 4. This forms the heart of the 2048 gameplay. Now, let's focus on player interaction and the user interface. You'll need to capture player input, whether it's directional swipes on a touch screen or arrow key presses on a keyboard, to move the tiles. Ensure your UI updates dynamically to display the player's current score as tiles merge. Finally, implement a clear game over condition that triggers when the board is full and no further moves or merges are possible, providing a definitive end to the game. To truly polish your 2048 game, consider adding visual and audio enhancements. Implement smooth animations for tile movements and merges. This provides excellent visual feedback to the player. Incorporate satisfying sound effects for actions like tile spawning, merging, and reaching a new high score. These small details significantly improve the player experience. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.